Ngikubingelela mbukeli ngiphinde ngomukela kwesimanje sekulethetha zona indaba efya ngaso ke isikhathi ke kushiyeke abaningi ngebedidekile noma bemangele ngayo ke inkulumo yakhe lapha ke umholi we-UDM lapha ke ubaba ke uHolomisa ke ngesikhathi ke ekwi-interview lapha ke kwiGagasi ke FM ke uthuke abantu ke abaningi nabo ke abalaleli ke njengoba uzoyibonela ke mbukeli kuyona ke le video engizothi ngigushiye nayo bese ke uya lapha ke comment section sizu uvo lakho ukuthi ngabe wena ulibona kanjani ke lolu daba lwakhe ke ubaba ke usevele ke wathuka abantu lapha ke khona ke emsakazweni abantu abaningi bathi ngempela ke lo baba ke ubebukeka ehloniphekile futhi ke engakwazi ke nokuthi ke engathuka abantu lapha ke emsakazweni ke omkhulu kangaka kwiGagasi FM bukeli ke awuye lapha ke ezo comment section sizu uvo lakho ukuthi ngabe wena uthini ke nansi ke i-video yakhe ke lapha ke ubaba ke uHolomisa siyabonga
kuno bhuti ofonile ekuqaleni uGeneral replied and said lo muntu ukhuluma language yakhe angazi noma akafundisanga yini inhlonipho kule language yakhe. That for me that's discrimination. Number two,
that's a compliment about the arrogant. Now you are arrogant.
But General
thank you. Bye-bye. Now you're talking nonsense. You are talking nonsense.
We don't need these people like Mr. Station because they can't answer our question, but we voted for them to be there.
Yeah, you didn't vote for me, so don't take lies.
No, we never ever vote for you, General.
Yeah, thank you very much. Don't vote for me.
Please,
go to hell.
Please, can we have proper people to answer an account? Not this member of parliament that can't even account and be arrogant.
Yeah, sorry, General, I know you have to respond as well because we are Ateka, but you just used a line at go to hell. I'm going to ask you to retract that particular phrase.
I'm not going to do that. If you are not satisfied, go to hell now.
Oh,
sound protect now.
No, but the party would must go to hell. Remember now, Usu Deputy Minister, Agavotelanga, but we lead nonetheless, General.
I'm pretty disappointed that we have leaders like you, General. That is why we have issues at Goma. That is why we have issues in our borders, because we've got people like you.
All right, no, let's do this then. Yeah. Okay, sure. Let me release you. Deputy Minister, let me release you then. We will not continue with this conversation anymore, but we thank you for having been with us for the past 30 minutes. We will not continue with you. So, siyabonga for the time osinikeze yona. General Bantu Holomisa, Deputy Minister waga Defense and Military Veterans, and leader we UDM.